Okay, picking up with slide number 16, let's talk about quadruple compound meter. So, thus far in this chapter, we've talked about duple compound meter and we've talked about triple compound meter. So, remember with duple compound meter, we basically have two large beats that we feel, right? So, duple is refers to the two, and compound is the part where we break them into each one of these beats into three, right? So that in duple compound we get a 1, 2, 3, or we get in our how we're counting it 1 la li 2 la li 1 la li 2 la li 1 la li 2 la li, and so on. Now in triple compound meter we add another beat, right? It's the same concept. Now we have three large beats, and each one is again divided into three. Hence the compound term: 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, and so on. With quadruple compound meter, it's the same thing. Now we just have four large beats, right? 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li. So it's as simple as that. So looking at slide number 16 here, practice this pattern with me. So we're going to clap whenever we have a dotted quarter note or an eighth note, but we're going to count it 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li the whole time. So for example, if I do this example with the repeat sign on slide 16 here, we'll go, okay, ready, go. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li. Okay? So practice that with me. You can even practice it with the link that is I've attached here to slide number 16. Otherwise, let's move on to slide number 17. So a little bit more about quadruple compound meter. So really, the only ones we're really going to encounter are anything with a 12 as the upper number. So if we have a 12-8 or a 12-4 are really the only ones that we're gonna talk about. So where does the 12 come from, right? So again, we have these four big beats, but if each one is divided into three, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? That's where the 12 comes from. So if we have 12 eighth notes per measure, that's going to be 12/8 time. So, and it's very similar to the triple compound meter, where we have 9/8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? 9 eighth notes per measure. And with duple compound time, really same idea again, just now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? That's where we get the 6/8 or 6/4 in duple compound meter. So just remember for quadruple compound, anything with a 12 as the upper number should give that should tip you off. Okay, let's move on to our next slide, number 18. So like I just mentioned, yeah, the most common quadruple compound meter signatures are 12/4 and 12/8. And remember, if we have 12/4 or 9/4 or 6/4 for that matter, the beat is the kind of rhythm that receives one beat is going to be a dotted half note, right? And then for 12/8, the kind of beat that we feel as one big beat is going to be a dotted quarter note. So if we practice the example here on slide 18, the one that's in 12/4, it'll sound like this. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4. Actually, you know what? Let me do that again. I didn't do that right. So the one in 12/4, we have, okay, ready, go. 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li. That's going to sound the exact same as the one that's in 12/8, right? The one in 12/8 shall go like this. Ready, go. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li. Right? We feel them the same, they sound the same, they just look different when we write them out. Okay, so that's 12/4 and 12/8. A little bit more about that on the next slide, number 19. So quadruple compound meters are sometimes notated as, for example, 12/8, a quadruple compound meter, is sometimes notated as a 4 over a dotted quarter note, right? And that's to show the number of beats per measure more clearly, right? Because in 12/8, we have 4 of those big beats that we feel, right? And each one of those big beats is indicated by a dotted quarter note in 12/8 time. In 12/4 time, we might see a 4 with a dotted half note underneath, right? And it's the same thing. It's just we have 4 big beats, right? But each one of these big beats is felt as a dotted half note in 12/4 time. So don't let that throw you off. Let's now go to the next slide, number 20, and let's practice some of these examples. So, okay, here, let's see here. Okay, so we have A, B, C, and D. Let's start with A. So this one's fairly straightforward. Anytime you see a dotted quarter note, that's just one clap. And if we see eighth notes, in A, we see 3 eighth notes connected by a beam. That's just clap on every eighth note. All right, let's try A. Ready? I won't do the repeat sign, but again, you should practice this again by yourself without me in the video and do the repeat signs. Okay, so A. Ready, go. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li. Okay, now B. So B, it's a little bit more complicated, but not by much. It's more complicated because we have, what are those little curved lines we see in example B again? What are those called? Those are called ties. So, for example, we see our first tie right here, right? And so how do we do this one? So I'm gonna clap here on 1, and I'm gonna say one la li, but when I say 2, I'm not gonna clap again, right? Because the tie tells me to hold it over to this first eighth note. So I'm gonna count 2, but I'm not gonna clap on 2. And then when I say la li after, I will be clapping on these and all these. No, here's my 4th beat. I will clap here. I'll say 4 la li. And then when I say 1 here, because of the tie, I will not clap on beat 1 here, but I will be clapping on the la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li. Okay? So don't let those ties throw you off. You count, but you just don't clap right there. Okay. So example B, let's do it. Ready, go. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li. If I were to play a sustained pitch on this one, it would sound like this. Let's see here, we have 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li, 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li. Okay. All right, now let's look at example C. So example C, what's my meter signature here? it's 12/4. So now, what kind of rhythm receives one of those big beats, right? Now my dotted half note is what receives one big beat. So for this one, I will be counting it like this. So we have our 1 la li, and then here's 2 la li, 3 is here. And notice there's a tie, so I'm not going to clap on 3, but I will count 3 la li and then 4 la li, right? And then the rest of it is going to be like 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li. Okay? So let's practice example C. Okay, here we go. Nice and a little slower. How about like 2, 3, like that. Ready, go. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li. Okay? All right, now let's look at example D. So, example D, we see here we have right at the very beginning a dotted eighth, an eighth rest. So the eighth rest occurs on beat 1, and so I'm going to count 1, but I'm not going to clap on 1, right? Because the rest tells me don't clap on beat 1. But I will clap on the la, li after 1, right? So it'll be like 1 la li. Okay, so then on beat 2, I have a quarter note. So the quarter note is going to get 2 la, and then my li after the 2 will be my next clap, right? So if maybe I'll just write this one down here, 2 la li. All right, it's a little, I didn't write these because it's a little hard to write them, but they just kind of don't fit down here. But I'm going to clap 2, and then I'm going to say la, and then when I say li, that's this eighth note here. So really I'm going to have 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li. Okay? So here we go with example D. Okay, ready, go. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li. 1 la li, 2 la li, 3 la li, 4 la li. Okay,